Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. If today is your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Becky. You're highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I have a beautiful home remedy I would like to share with you. Some emails, some funny emails. Hi Becky, you look plumpy. How do you increase your friends, all kind of stuff? And I don't know. So I've been receiving a lot of emails about how I increase my front. You look plumpy, you look a little bit. What are you using? What cream are you using? Okay, first of all guys, I want to share with you, if you've already seen my previous video, I make a video how you can make your summer cream, or if you are living in Africa, living in a sunny planet, this cream is very good. It will prevent you to get the sunburn, and if you have already have the sunburn, it's going to fade it as time goes on. Consistency is the key. So you can check my previous videos. So this is among of my secrets of my cream. I use it as well as a hand cream. See, I use it as well as my hand cream, my body cream, my face cream. You know guys, it's very lovely. You can check it out as well. If you are looking for the secret, what am I using? Most of the stuff that I'm using for my body, I've already made video of them. So guys, let's go straight to the point. Go check this out guys. Go check it out and make your own remedy, make your own serum. I call it serum, I call it so my cream, I call this cream everything because it works so perfectly. If you have a dark spot, it's going to help you to fade it. It's very easy to pump into. It's very easy, and just give it a go guys. I don't know how to explain. You're going to like it, and if you have a dark knuckles at times goes on, it will help you to fade your dark knuckles as well. Go check my previous video. I might leave the link as well with this video as well. So guys, let's go straight to the point. Hello, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, the notification bell, share this video, leave good comments below guys. So let's go to the remedy. To be telling you the secrets, and I will show you some of the stuff that I use that make me plumping. Normally on a normal day, I'm not really skinny person. I'll be like size 6'8", my natural stature. So first of all, I have coils. There's a different coils. You really actually have to check with your doctor, okay, or your GP if you are living here in Ireland. So I have a coil. Whenever I use coils, I used to look plumpy, I used to look fresh as if I'm pregnant. Even my friends, even in the shop, they'll say, Rebecca, are you expecting? You know, because they always knows I'm always like this, okay guys. So I love me now, I love myself as well. I always look to be like this until when I find out, oh, whenever I use coil, I get bloated from the front and everything. So I usually as well do some exercise, okay. If you do sit up will help your chest. It will, if you have a saggy breast, this the press up you have to be doing like maybe like 50 press up in a day, or 40. You can start if you're a beginner of push-up. You can start from 10 or 20 along the line, okay. So I do a lot of push-up and sit-up. I do a lot of stuff, or a lot of my exercise. At the minute we are locked down, the gym is not open, so I do a lot of press up, okay. I do sit up, I do tabak exercise, I do ab exercise, so and so on and so forth. So maybe you can look to that as well. And for a moment, because of the coil, I drink a lot of smoothies, especially green smoothies. Secrets, Nice smack. Sorry guys, I'm not going to edit that anyway. So guys, I use this for my smoothies. This actually, I think it plumped me. You can check out, it's called spirulina. I have a video of it. You can check my video. I make a smoothie of this. So I just love the smoothies and peanuts. Guys, I love peanut butter. I use it as well to make beef chicken. So those are the stuff that make me plumping my fronts. And at the minute, I love soya milk. So I'm going to be showing you how I make my soya milk in the morning for my breakfast. I just love warm soya milk. I don't warm it in the microwave or on the electric cooker. Just drink it. I don't know what is inside the soya milk. I'm just in love with this. I'm obsessed with that at the minute. And I love yogurt, guys. I love yogurts with different seed inside. Sometimes I make my smoothies with yogurt. You are asking, then I'm giving you guys the answer. Okay, I will not tell you to rub this or to rub something. I don't rub anything. Okay, I have coils. Then I'm drinking a lot of green. I'm drinking a lot of smoothies. Okay, I might be making few video again of smoothies. Okay, then ice cream. Then I'm baking at home now for my children. I'm going to be share those videos. It's very easy for me. I make my own home remedy ice cream for the kids. So sometimes if I'm making it, I'm just scooping it to my mouth. So you know, like the leftover of it, or by the time I make it, I might have already finished half of the ice cream. So I think maybe those are the things that make me plumping. Mark is looking for me. Sorry, yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice, Mark. Anyway, so those are the things. Especially this. If I'm going to be having oats for my breakfast, oats, or in Ireland we call it porridge, without peanut butter, I can't eat the oats. So I have to have peanut butter inside my oats. And smoothies, I love spirulina because of all the nutrients that is there. It boosts my energy. Okay guys, I just love the taste. So those are the things that make me plump, including the coils and including the push-up, a little bit of exercise, cardio exercise, tabana exercise. What else? So I drink a lot of water. I drink 2 liters of water. I go for walk. Okay, so those are the things that make me plumping. All right guys, so I'm not going to be here standing in the front of you guys and deceive you guys that go and rub this. No, I do not rub anything. I think the coils is the major part that helped me. Actually, I love me now. I just fall in love. I'm plumping. I'm not skinny. Before, I used to be looking for vitamin E, vitamin D, this, take that. Until one day I find out about this coil. Ever since I've tried these coils, I don't think I'm going to give it up easily, guys. My children, they're home because there's a lockdown at the minute in Ireland. The school is not yet started, so you might be here background noise, pardon me. Okay guys, so guys, let's go straight to my soya milk. Okay, that's a whole lot, guys. If you really love this video, give thumb up, click like and share this video. Okay guys, so guys, let's go straight to it. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make my soya milk in the morning. It's 9:35 here in Ireland. Okay, this is 2 cups full of soya milk. Okay, so I deliberately use this cup so I'll be able to show you guys. So this is fresh soya milk. Okay, so you bring it to boil. As you can see, the saucepan already, guys. So just bring it to the boil until when it starts foaming, and you drink it. Because I want to be a good girl, so instead of me eating, I love this this natural protein ball. Okay, so those are the things that I used to eat at the minute, and sometimes almond seed. Okay, maybe those are the stuff that make me plumping, and my front is very full as if I'm 3 months pregnant. Okay, so sometimes guys you will receive some emails. If I open my YouTube emails, I can't. Oh my god, some funny emails from females or males, I don't know. So some people, they are so very beautiful to compose all these emails, and they're actually talking about my figure. You are plumping. When you just started your video, you were so skinny. What is the secret? I actually like the way you look. Are you single? Blah blah blah, guys. Oh my god. So this is the secret. I drink a lot of soya milk because I'm allergic to some of the dairy milk. Okay, I hope you'll be able to see. So you can now remove it. You can see it started foaming, so you let the foam to cool down, so it's ready to go, guys. Sorry, that is my hand, so that you guys will be able to see, on else my camera is gonna be steam. So that's it, guys. This is how I make my milk. Help you to make you to have a big chest, the big front. Let me know, guys. Okay, so I'm going to be show you. You let it foam immediately. When you see the foam, you let it settle, and it's good to go to serve. So here's my secret, guys. Give this video like and thumbs up, guys. Share this video with people who want to increase their boobs, who want to increase their front, who want to increase their chest. Share this video with them. Okay, all right, stay blessed. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.